Alright, today's lesson is on volume of a sphere. Okay. If you notice up top on my example, the equation did not print off correctly. So if you're viewing a document that has it not printed off correctly, let's make sure we write it in. So we have volume of a sphere is going to equal 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so that's the equation we're always going to use for the volume of our sphere. So if we look at number 1 here, it looks like I have a sphere here, and it looks like it has a radius of 9 feet. We're going to go ahead and rewrite our equation to help us remember it. So volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So volume equals 4/3 times 3.14 times our radius cubed. So 9 times 9 times 9. When I go ahead and multiply all those together, I get a volume of 3,052.08 feet cubed. Okay. And if you want to simplify that to the nearest tenth, 3,052.1 feet cubed. Alright, number 2. In this case I have a diameter instead of my radius, so make sure I include my radius as being 11 centimeters. Let's go ahead and rewrite my equation. The volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. So volume is equal to 4/3 times 3.14 times 11 cubed, and I get an answer of 5,572.453. If I simplify that, I get 5,572.5 centimeters cubed. Okay. And then my third has a sphere with a radius of 6 centimeters. There's no picture, but because I know the radius, I can solve it. So volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. Volume is equal to 4/3 times 3.14 times our radius of 6 cubed. Go ahead and plug all that into the calculator, and I get an answer of 904.32, which gets simplified to 904.3 centimeters cubed. Alright, so that's how my equation works for my sphere. You guys have 3 problems to try on your own. Go ahead and plug those in. Make sure you're writing the equation every time. It's going to help you remember it. Alright, number 1 should have gotten 14,130 millimeters cubed. Again, you're going to cube that. You're going to cube that 15 millimeters for your radius. Number 2, we have a radius of 19, not 38, giving you a volume of 28,716.3 centimeters cubed. And number 3 gives us your radius, so you have an answer of 2,143.6 meters cubed.